few bullet points of what I do and also explain to you the referral system with regards to Cancer Council in case you want to approach any of these facilities or services that have been discussed with you today throughout the session, throughout this seminar. So just to start off with, I'm a financial counselor and I provide free financial counseling from Royal North Shore Hospital on every alternate Wednesday to people affected by cancer who are in financial hardship. These counseling sessions are conducted by appointment, and you can approach your social worker and she would fill in a referral form and that will come to me for appointments, and I would be calling you up and fixing an appointment if required on a day that's convenient to you. And before we go into that, I'd like to explain at this stage what exactly is the difference between financial planning and financial counseling. So very, very simply put, if you've got assets and you've got money invested in different areas, and due to diagnosis or due to an unseen circumstances, there has been a loss of income, there has been difficulty in managing your funds, and you want to realign your assets to streamline your income as before, then it's the financial planner that you will approach. However, if the situation is such that there aren't too many assets, but income has declined, there are debts mounting, you're in acute financial hardship, then it's the financial counselor that you would go to. A financial counselor is somebody who will provide you information and guidance about your credit laws, will help you with all debt management, will act as an advocate on your behalf to deal with creditors, to sort out issues that are personally impacting you. So a financial counselor would very simply assess your situation, prepare a budget or a money plan, see where the debts are, give you options to prioritize your debts and tell you how to manage them, and then if you are agreeable, you will give the financial counselor the authority to deal on your behalf with the creditors. Creditors can be banks for credit cards, for personal loans, for mortgage. They can be credit union service, they can be utility bills, they can be any sort of debt will be managed very in a comprehensive fashion by the financial counselors. And the big saving factor here is a lot of the clients who are as it is overwhelmed with the fact that they've had a recent diagnosis or they're not able to cope financially while they're going through the treatment, are in a position to come and meet a financial counselor, discuss the situation with them, give the authority to the financial counselor to deal with the creditors, and once that authority has been given, the creditors absolutely cannot call the client directly and start dealing with the financial counselor, being the mediator between the client as well as the creditor. We are looking at things like hardship variation, which is, so if you've got credit card debts, then a financial counselor can work through a process where for a couple of months or even a period of 6 months to 1 year, the credit cards are, there's no interest, no fees, and no repayments to be made. But all this is done after preparing a money plan, trying and seeing what the situation is and what options would help you. And they would not be used as a method to put you in further debt. So very simply put, for people in acute financial hardship and debt management requirement, even actually instances of bankruptcy, it's the financial counselor that you will deal with. In addition to financial counseling service, I'm also able to contact, or I am the key contact person for emergency financial assistance as well as for no interest loans for Cancer Council New South Wales. So under normal circumstances, if there was a requirement for financial planning service, for legal pro bono service, for financial counseling, for emergency assistance or no interest loans, all you would need to do is probably get in touch with your social worker. She will put in a referral to us and that referral will come to the relevant person, and that department or that set of group of people will get in touch with you and sort out the problems for you. In case you don't have a financial counselor, in case you don't have a social worker that you are attached to, all you need to do is call up 13 11 20 and have a chat with the helpline consultants, and they will do the needful and put in a referral on your behalf, and somebody from that area will give you a call and do whatever is required, whether it is do an intake for financial planning or legal, or give you an appointment for financial counseling service at Royal North Shore on a day that's convenient to you, or provide emergency assistance, which is in the form of grants offered to pay overdue utility bills, or provide you with petrol vouchers if you can't get to treatment due to financial hardship, or look after any bill, utility bill, which you are finding difficult to pay. Do you have any questions for me? Yeah, so if you need any of those areas, if you need to look into any of those areas, please contact your social worker or get in touch with the Cancer Council helpline on 13 11 20.